Okay, welcome back to 3.3 Delta Math Notes. This is part 2, and we are going to look at how to put this in our calculator, a normal distribution. All right, so let's look at number 1, and it says when Samir commutes to work, the amount of time it takes him to arrive is normally distributed with the mean of 44 and the standard deviation of 3.5 minutes. What percentage of his commute will be shorter than 50 minutes to the nearest tenth? Okay, so this answer is going to be in a percent. All right. First and foremost, you always should do this. You should write out your upper, your lower, your mean, which is the mu symbol, and your standard deviation. Okay, they give us the mean of 44. That's nice. And the standard deviation of 3.5. Perfect. Now, from here, I want to point out, it says it wants to know the value, the commute will be shorter than 50 minutes. So if I write this as a probability, it looks like the probability of x, we're using x now because we're not using the empirical rule anymore. X is less than 50 minutes. So that's what it looks like. Probability is x is less than 50 minutes. So when it is less than, just remember, less than, just like before, less than negative 9e99 is lower. Okay, less than negative 9e99 is lower. So I have my negative 9e999, and then I have my upper is going to be the value, the number, my 50. So here is my 50 because that's my greatest bound. Now all I have to do is put it in my calculator. I'm going to go to New, Add Calculator 1, and all I'm going to do is, remember, it is menu 652. So menu 652. I'm going to press menu 652, and awesomely, they already have 9e999 already put in there. So I'm going to go to my next one. I'm going to type in 50. My next one, now my mean is 44, and my standard deviation is 3.5. I'll press enter, and I get 0.9567. 0.9567. However, they want it as a percent. So I'm just from here, all I'm going to do is press multiply and see how it says answer multiply. And I'm going to do multiply by 100. This is my percent, and I want to round it to the nearest tenth. So that 7 is going to make the 6 a 7 also. So my answer I'm going to type in here is going to be 95.7%. And that is the solution for a problem if it is less than a value. Okay. Thank you very much.